with Sunny the bird having liver cancer, he's got to be super, super warm. And he's in the closet. He's the yellow bird. And he's having a bad day today for some reason. But I feed my animals vegetables, rice, spinach leaves. They get a little bit of egg. And I put the drops on their food. And they get 1 to 3. And that's his mate, Mohawk, who, when Sunny won't eat, he feeds him like a mama, or she. So, there's Sunny. Hey, Sunny, what's the matter, baby? Oh, bless your heart. He's just having a hard time today. This product is amazing. It is, to me, it's brought both my cat and my bird, Sunny, and Simon the cat, back to life. I've seen a total reverse and a quality of life that I haven't ever seen in neither one of these animals. And I think there's something to these products that are very amazing, and keep them coming.